As communities across southern Kentucky rebuild after last month's tornado, one school district is continuing to work with families affected. Laurel County schools took to social media thanking all first responders, local officials, and volunteers for their help during this difficult time. District leaders say more than 40 faculty and staff members, along with countless students, have been impacted by the damage. They note disaster relief efforts are vital for the county's short and long-term recovery. Throughout the summer, officials will continue connecting families in the school system with much-needed resources.